We've been talking about this, man. College athletes, even down to the high school, a left-hand layup. Now this is my weak hand. I'm right-handed. So that's what I'm gonna start with, my weak hand. I always start with the hardest first. That's just something with me. But I'm gonna go with the basics. What I do with the left hand layup is you're coming up. What you want to jump off your right foot, hitting here. This right arm right here will shield off the defender. So if you're coming for a basic left hand layup, it should look just like this. You're jumping off the opposite foot. Left hand layup, you're not going to jump off your left foot with your left hand. That's just not, you know what I mean? You're not going to do that. So what you want to do is jump off your right foot, left hand. You want to explode up off the right foot. So this is going to be your explosion. That's your explosion. Boom. Good places to hit when you're actually doing this layup. Some people like to do the finger rolls, you can do that. You know, boom. Or you can hit it off the back of the square. Anywhere on the square. I was taught in the middle of the square. You guys just want to focus on your form as far as the lane, because let's say if you go in off your left foot, it's getting blocked. Shielding, boom. So the defender can't block. But this is shielding the defender off. So here we go. Boom. Try to aim in the middle. That's just right. Try to aim in the middle of the square. We're gonna do about 10 reps of these on each side. I'm gonna start with the left because, like I said, that's my weakness. So I'm gonna start with the left hand. Here, boom. And get it going like that. That way it's kind of in-game speed. Build up momentum, make your move. Boom. Left hand. Right, jumping off your right foot. So I'm gonna go for 10 of those real quick. Start off on the main bucket. You guys, focus on the technique. Boom. Make your move. You snag it, you can dunk it. However it takes, as long as the technique is perfect.